what role do you think that AI and machine learning will play in the future of not just DevOps, but I think tech in general?
Mm. I think it will play quite a big role, and you can already quite good see that nowadays. And but what I can clearly see, and also together with my people, is that, for example, when you look at coding, yes, it helps, but it helps with boilerplate code. In that very moment where you need to create something new, where you need to develop a new algorithm, where you need to be very, very focused, it does not help yet to do that. So yes, it is sort of supporting you, AI, but you always need to watch out what it's exactly doing. The same is true, for example, for AI ops or AI augmented DevOps and all of that. It can help you with, for example, log file analysis, because this is sort of a big data analysis. So in my point of view, AI is just the next level. And when I look back in my career, when I was at the university, we implemented in C, and then we had C++, and then on top of that came Java. And at that time, everybody was like, "Oh, Java is coming. We don't need that many developers anymore, because now we can more efficiently create applications." Which was, of course, not true, as you can see from history.
Yeah.
And now AI is just coming on top of that. And yes, with AI as a tool, as a supporting tool, we can create just more awesome stuff, which is more complicated. But there is also a little bit of a danger with AI, in my opinion. Sometimes what I can see is that people stop thinking. And therefore, one of the key skills that future people need to have is that critical thinking and also problem solving skill. And this will be very, very important for the future, because, as I always say with AI, shit in, shit out.
Yeah. Do you think AI is a danger to the next generation of developers then? Do you think that could be a negative effect for the future of software engineering in general, with AI being a tool that can maybe create laziness and, is that a danger, do you think?
Yeah, it is a danger, and there are already studies out there which show that the maintainability of code goes down. Yes, it is dangerous, but I don't think it will be that dangerous. It's just at the moment there is like when we introduced object-oriented programming, there was also a danger of getting lazy when it comes to memory management, and we had quite a lot of issues with that until we start to manage that. And what I think what will happen is also with AI, yes, people will get lazy, but then they will get better at it, because it will cause some of the problems, and then we will get experts in using this technique. There will be sort of standards, there will be also better models out there, and then we will get better and better at using AI for programming awesome software.